GMS stock analysis and GMS stock prediction. What I will be doing in this brief and short video is showing you my exact proof, right? My exact play with GMS Incorporated. Like, honestly, this is just like a pumping up, and I'm willing to be a part of it but buying just for the sake of it will not be happening. You know, this is very gappy, so I'll also keep that in mind. And practically speaking, in this case, here's the top. The only thing that I care about is the price pulling down a bit, giving me rules. That's it. Like, randomly buying will not be my play. So yeah, that's where we are. If you want to learn how making 5-10k per month trading and want to learn all that sauce, click the first link in the description. You don't have to spend 5 years of your time. You can just spend a few hours, learn it. It's risk-free. 1,200 people have tried it. And yeah, I don't have previous receipts in the disc about this, but totally fine. Goodbye and enjoy.